homemade chicken plucker. This is an old UK style front loading washing machine, universal motor. I have the fingers in the back plate. The drum only needs fingers, but right now I'm just getting mechanically and electrical sound. So I have on here a 25 amp 240 volt thyristor speed controller with a 20 microfarad capacitor over the output, run capacitor over the output, live to negative, and I'm getting that little pulse there. I'm thinking the cause here is I've lost the cap off of this brush, so she's flapping about in the breeze a bit, so I'll have to repair that. But other than that, if I take her up to what I believe is going to be running speed, bearing in mind there's no load on it as such, sounds right about there. And we'll check her current. Where am I? Currently doing 1.1 amps, which is 265 watts. So that's where I am in progress. It's coming along. I'll show you one other thing actually. Speed right down. There's the rear. Yeah, she'll get a good clean out. It's not perfect. First attempt. And the thyristor itself though is working great. And if we really want to wash the duct, this thing will have a washing machine. But no, it should work fine. And I've got a drain port on the back. That's more or less it for now. I've got to get these all put in a box, a proper electrical box. I have a master switch and I have a safety switch to get installed on it as well. Need a cradle because obviously the back of it is where the belt's running, so I need to build a cradle to carry it, and then obviously the cover for the motor, and we should be good to go. Thanks guys, bye.